This is the tutorial for the FLEXI Prime Mobility Scooter.
This tutorial is also applicable to FLEXI Prime Max. Before you turn on the scooter,
Make sure that the black clutch is pushed down.
enabling the electric mode. The electric mode prevents the scooter from moving when being pushed. If the scooter is not in the electric mode, there will be a loud beep sound. Remove the keys
And push the black clutch up.
to enable the manual mode. Controls. Insert the key to turn on the device. The battery indicator will light up. Press the horn to alert pedestrians. Press the light button to turn on the light. Press the light button to turn off the light. To increase the speed, turn the knob to the right. To decrease the speed, turn the knob to the left. To move forward, move the right handle. To move backwards, move the left handle. Detaching the battery. Remove the keys, unscrew the knob, and pull the battery up. Attaching the battery. Simply slot the battery in the compartment and screw in the knob to secure the battery. Charging. Remove the keys, remove the protective cap, and connect the charging cable. Switch on the power supply. An orange light indicator will appear on the power brick. A full charge takes 10 to 12 hours. Do not overcharge the device for more than 24 hours.
A green light indicator will appear when charging is completed.
Remove the plug when charging is completed. Alternatively, you can also detach the battery from the device for direct charging. Extra features. For the FLEXI Prime Max, there is a detachable basket. To detach the basket, press the hook and pull out the basket. To attach the basket, press the hook and attach the basket. The height of the seat can be adjusted accordingly. There are 3 height options. Secure the seat by inserting the metal rod. How to fold. Push the seat down, then remove the chair. To do that, you must first unscrew the knob and pull the metal rod out. Next, turn the front knob and push down the handle stand. Lock the knob. You can now trolley the scooter by pulling the front handle. How to unfold. Unscrew the front knob. Push the handle stand up. Tighten the knob. And place the bigger metal rod and fix it with the smaller metal rod. Then insert the chair. Lastly, tighten the knob. Before riding, do watch the PMA Safety video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below or head down to any of our Mobot outlets.